Good morning, ma'am. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Mary Grace de la Torre, 19 years old, from BS Criminology Department. My topic for today is human immunodeficiency virus. So, what human immunodeficiency virus are called HIV? HIV is caused by a virus. It can spread through sexual contact, illicit injection during injection drugs use of or sharing needles, contact with infected blood, or from mother to child during pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding. Sexual intercourse is the main way of HIV transmission in the Philippines, with 93% of infection resulting from unsafe sex. The first recorded cases of HIV in the Philippines were in 1985 among two then-leveled hospitality women from the cities of Angeles and Olongapo in Central Luzon. The Philippines is facing the fastest-growing HIV epidemic in the Western Pacific, with a 174% increase in HIV incidence between 2010 and 2017. The Philippines has gained notoriety as the country with the fastest growing human immunodeficiency virus, recalled HIV, epidemic in the Western Pacific region. While the overall trends of HIV incidence globally on increase in new cases was reported to the HIV from 2012 to 2013. There was a 411% increase in daily incidence. Estimated annual new HIV infection among individuals 15 years old and above from 2000 to 2021, globally and the Philippines based on UNAIDS estimates. As of January 2023, there was 110,736 HIV cases reported in the Philippines. Although this number seems low considering that the country has about a million people. So, this is our some example that where we get the HIV virus. First, men having sex with men. Sexual transmission remains to be a predominant mode of HIV acquisition in the Philippines, primarily among men having sex with men. One of the earliest HIV prevalence study among men having sex with men was conducted in 2010. HIV testing performed outside the entertainment areas or gay bars of Manila found that among 406 men screened using rapid HIV antibody test kits, 48 tested are positive. So next, person who injects drugs. HIV transmission through the sharing of infected needles remains relatively low in the Philippines. It was reported to be highest in 2010, accounting for 9% of all new HIV cases that year. HIV transmission through injected needles had decreased since 2011 and constitute 1% of all newly reported cases in the past few years. And lastly, transgender gender population. In the HIV surveillance system of the Philippines, transgender women were previously included under men having sex with men until 2018 when the HARP and the Integrated HIV Behavioral and serologic surveillance. Disaggregated data based on gender identity. The total reported new HIV cases in January 2023, 30% were transgender women. Unique concern among transgender population in the Philippines include in HIV knowledge. That's all my topic for today, and thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.